There is one little note that you need to know about Newton's method here. Okay. So note something to be a little bit wary of. That is that you need to have a good first guess. Okay, so that'd be like your x1 value. Or else this can work very slowly. You make tiny, almost not noticeable little bits of progress each time. Or sometimes it cannot work at all. Okay, so how to know if we have a good first guess? Well, let's look at what a not so good first guess would look like. Okay, we're going to draw a picture here. Let's say, here's your axes, and let's say your function did something like this. Okay. And we were going to be looking for this root right here. Okay, so that is our target root. So a not so good first guess here. One option for not so good first guess would be to let this be x1 right here. And why that would not work out so well is because x1 actually is giving us a maximum value of the function. Okay. And the tangent line there is horizontal. So we know that horizontal lines actually don't have roots. So that would be pretty frustrating. You wouldn't be able to solve for root based on that tangent line at all. Horizontal tangent line. Not so good. Okay. Or another not so good first choice option might be over here, not on the actual like local minimum of the function there, but just very nearby. So if we let this be our x1, there's x1's point there, x1 comma f of x1. If we make a tangent line based on that, go through and make it tangent here. All right. That is sending us way the heck off into the negative x-axis. So it might take a good long while before this process iterates us back around to the proper root. Or we could end up hitting some other root that we didn't intend to get. So this would work very slowly. Slow process. Or it could even not work at all. All right. Or it could find a different root. Okay. So yeah, in the problems that you look at in the homework for your practice, you will either be given the first approximation, that first guess, and unless it's a trick question, you can assume that they're trying to set you up well, and that it will hopefully work out. If you are not given a first guess, there will be some way you can get close to finding a good first guess, either by making a small graph and seeing what whole numbers are closest to the root, or by thinking about what the value of that root really should be in general, that type of thing. So the first guesses, there usually won't be a whole lot of guesswork involved for you at this stage, but if you go on to higher maths and need to use Newton's method or similar techniques, because there's more, having a good first guess is really important for coding these things up and having them work efficiently.